Hello guys, how to enter same text into multiple Excel cells at once. In Microsoft Excel, you can enter the same data or text in multiple cells at once using the steps as mentioned in this video. So first highlight all cells in which you want to place same text as you written in initial cells. So first select your cells, press Ctrl and select cells. Press Ctrl and select cells where you want to place all the written text into the same text into the all cells and type in one cells, and after typing just press Ctrl plus enter on your keyboard. After pressing Ctrl plus enter, all the text will be similar on each and every selected cells. So you can easily place the text, same data or text in multiple cells